Hi, I am Ubaid, a data analyst with expertise in Excel and data visualization. I am excited to share a recent project where I helped a client transform unstructured sales data into actionable insights. The dataset was initially unorganized with sales details for 3 products and their subcategories all in a single column. Using Excel's text to column feature, I split the data into matrix format, cleaned it, and arranged everything in an orderly, product based structure. Next, I aggregated the data using pivot tables, breaking it down by products, subcategory, and size. This allowed the client to easily see the number of products sold and revenue generated for each category. Finally, I created an interactive dashboard in Excel, complete with charts and filters for each product. This dashboard enabled the client to explore their sales data and gain valuable insights at a glance. If you are looking for professional Excel solutions to clean, analyze, and visualize your data, feel free to reach out.